भारत रत्न चौधरी चरण सिंह हलधर, भारतीय क्रांति दल फाउंडर, चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश,
एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश,
चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, प्रधानमंत्री इंडिया 1979, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ MA इकोनॉमिक्स मेरिट यूनिवर्सिटी, a great economic strength,
कूल होकर बोलिए,
a
एग्रेसिव
great
होकर।
economic strength who had challenged Nehru economic policy, and he started a movement for the marginalized economic farmers study, merit university product, became Chief Minister of India, became Prime Minister of India,
Became chief minister of India in UP,
Chief Minister of UP,
not India.
and became Prime Minister of India.
हाँ,
Product of Merit University, economic product of Merit University, and the economic product of Merit University. What a great vision he had to make, because he had seen and studied the marginalized economy farmers. Farmers' economy depend on the vagaries of the monsoons, flood and drought that he had seen. And so, on the other hand, Jagannath Mishra, Chief Minister of Bihar, later on. No, before him also he was Chief Minister. In 75 also, Professor of Economics from Bihar University, also a PhD, who had
ललित नारायण मिश्रा यूनिवर्सिटी।
no Lajna Mishra, he was in Bihar University. He had not done anything, he had no vision at all, only a bookish vision, like Calcutta University economist, Patna University economist, Delhi School of Economics, like Amartya Sen, or the man who is right now leading interim government of Bangladesh, Nobel Prize winner on Grameen Bank. He had established that, Amartya Sen also.
मोहम्मद यूनिस,
Mohammad Yunus, now interim government, Nobel Prize from Grameen Economics.
एडवाइजर ऑफ इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट ऑफ बांग्लादेश हेड
He
प्रेजेंट।
is head of the department, head of the
कंप्लीट बोलिए ना।
Okay, but see the vision of Bharat Ratna Chaudhary Charan Singh, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Pradhan Mantri,
प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया।
India. Very true Indian leader. True, he had. And see the political map. I'm not see. It is like when you study in the very first chapter of social study, which I had studied, the first chapter said what is economic activities and what is non-economic activities. Like I am delivering lecture to you, it is non-economic. I am not getting anything. You are also doing non-economic activities. But economic is very important when you are doing farming. That is a economic activity because you get your livelihood through that. So that economic. I'm not, but I had gone to Merit University and Martidana University, Professor Ajit Singh Daya, Professor of Economics, and I am his student. That vision of Charan Singh and Professor Ajit Singh Daya, economics, had really made today, see, Western UP and Rohtak district are prosperous. Haryana.
बट रोहतक डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेजेंटेड इन हरियाणा, नॉट वेस्टर्न
Haryana is
यूपी।
also a prosperous economically. Number one in India right now. What see the economic condition is the same of the farmers there. They are the same land, not like Jagannath Mishra, who belongs to Kosi. He had a lot of lands and bigger lands, but still that is a poor country, poor state, poor district. Sarsa, Madhepura, all are poor districts compared to Rohtak, Meerut. This is the gift of, or this is the vision of Charan Singh, who made this through his economic study rich, prosperous economically. On the other hand, Renat Misra, a professor of economics, or have been a more time chief minister of Bihar, but he had led Bihar to a declining stage, economically poor. So that is the vision of Bharat Ratna, Charan Singh, Bharat Haldar Kishan Putra, to make India prosperous through tractor, through bullock cart. He had made the he had
बुल
brought-
काट बैलगाड़ी.
No, see, Charan Singh's vision had made bullock cart agriculture transport to a tractor transport for economic. So here iron market on board. So here how beautifully to make a prosperous country, the Buddhist India, Buddhist economy is very important to agriculture economy. India is a country of agriculturists, and so I really appreciate that this year this government of India under the leadership of Narendra Modi had conferred Bharat Ratna that was given earlier has been given to him. And political map, I am telling you, Jan Chaudhary should not give up, should not feel that one. He should feel like his grandfather. I had met his father, Father Ajit Singh sir, a very gentle man, but not like his father. He was not done because he had not made good walking with the people. And like Charan Singh used to walk, he used to go to Madhepura. He had great followers in Madhepura. And so I see and I expect to make again a great Chaudhary Charan Singh's grandson, Jan Chaudhary, should walk on foot all over India and talk with the farmers of all over India to make great economic India of Chaudhary Charan Singh, vision of Chaudhary Charan Singh to make India superpower.
ओके सर.